Today, I have with me this examination paper here for the Biology Paper 1, June 2024 Cameroon Gce Examination Board. This is the Paper 1, the MCQ version of this edition. And of course, I'm going to be answering this question and also explaining to you the reasons why the particular answer is the correct one. We have a total of 50 questions on this Paper 1 of the Biology Paper 1 here. We have 50 questions on the list. And of course, in this series of today, I'm going to answer 5 of the questions. And based on these 5, I'll give some logic explanations for you to better understand the reason why a particular choice of answer is correct based on this particular paper. Of course, if you are actually in the lower seat or upper seat, then this paper actually you need to make sure that you go to revise this as well. And to those of you who want to keep update to the upcoming release of the next video we are going to be making to continue the answering of this session, then you want to make sure that you join us to our group so that we can actually send to you directly when the videos are made available. To do so, you want to make sure that you send us a message directly to us on WhatsApp. Then we are going to add you to the group where we have students based on lower seat and upper seat benefiting from exam question and answers for biology. We also have that for mathematics as well, where we provide answers to various questions. And of course, we do this so that you can benefit from it. So if you have any person which you think can benefit from this question and answer series, then you want to make sure to go ahead to share this video to that person. There is a social link below this video, which if you navigate across this page, you're going to see a social link. If you have a friend, being it on WhatsApp or Messenger or being it on whatever social media your friend is found, just click on that particular social icon and share this particular video to that individual which you think is either lower seat, upper seat who can benefit from this question and answer series on the GC examination board paper 1 of this biology session. I'll also continue the next session in the episode 2 of this, which we are going to answer the next 5 set of questions to also give explanation on the reasons why those answers are correct. So you want to make sure to go ahead to share this to your friends who can benefit from this. And to those of you who want to add to our group on the biology sessions where we answer questions to students, then you want to make sure to send us a message directly to add you to that group. To do so, it is very easy. Our number is found below this page. Just make sure to find or locate it. At the end of this page, you are going to see our WhatsApp number. You can message us directly to tell us to add you to the group, and we are going to add you to benefit from all of these question and answer session, and you're going to keep up to date so that when you see similar question like this, it'll be very easy for you to get the response. So without wasting too much time, I'm going to begin with the first question on this list, and we are going to respond to this question. So let me go to the first question here. The first question here is C4 and CAM plants store carbon dioxide in the form of A is pyruvate, B is glycerate phosphate, C is ribulose biphosphate, and D is malate. Which of the answer is correct? They are asking C4 plant and CAM plant store carbon dioxide in the form of which of the various answers? We have 4 different choices. I'll provide the correct answer and the reason why that answer is correct. Here, the correct answer is D. It is malate, which is D. D is the correct answer. The reason why malate is correct is because C4 plants and CAM plants initially fix carbon dioxide into a 4-carbon compound, and this 4-carbon compound is typically malate. That is why malate is the correct answer. So C4 plants and CAM plants fix carbon dioxide as a compound called malate. So malate is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following refers to a temporary reversible response to a known directional stimulus? Which of the following refers to a temporary reversible response to a known directional stimulus? We have the first answer here. A, phototropism. B, nastic movement. C, thigmotropism. And D, geotropism. Which of these is correct? So the correct response here is B, which is nastic movement. This is because nastic movement and non-directional response to stimulus. Nastic movement is a non-directional response to stimulus. Non-directional. Nastic movement is the correct answer. The next question here is, in what direction does an electrical signal move through a neuron? In what direction does an electrical signal move through a neuron? We have the various answers here. First, which is A, we have dendrite, cell body, then axon. B, axon, dendrite, then cell body. C, cell body, dendrite, then axon. D, axon, cell body, then dendrite. Which of the following is correct? The correct answer here is C. It is cell body, dendrite, then axon. This is because signal in the neuron typically begins in the cell body. Then it moves to the dendrite. After it moved to the dendrite, it then traveled along the axon. So this is the response to this particular answer. This is the order in which electrical signals are moved. That is from the cell body to the dendrite and from the dendrite to the axon. This is the order. Therefore, the correct answer is C. The next question is, the animal that has a 4-chamber heart is, they have given a list of animals here. First, A, snake, B, turtles, C, dolphins, and D, sharks. Which of these is correct? The correct answer here is dolphin. This is because dolphins have 4-chamber heart, similar to mammals and birds. Therefore, dolphin is the correct answer because they do also have 4-chamber heart, just like mammals and other birds. So the correct answer here is, which is C, dolphin. So moving to the next question here, I'll move directly to question 6. I'll first of all want to skip question 5. I have a reason for this, because I want to explain these 5 in the next series. So you want to make sure that you join us so that you're going to have the answer of question 5. I will skip question 5 for now and move directly to question 6. So question 6 states, which of the following hormones will stimulate the testes to produce androgens? Okay, A is testosterone, B is luteinizing hormone, C is follicle stimulating hormone, D is gonadotropin releasing hormone. Which of the following is correct? Of course, looking at this, you are going to see that it is very easy for you to choose the wrong answer here. But I'll give you the reason why one of the answers here is correct, why you should not make this mistake. So the correct answer here is the LH, which is luteinizing hormone. Some of you will be very fast to go ahead to choose A as testosterone, which is the correct answer. But of course, testosterone will be very wrong. There is a trap here. So the answer is the luteinizing hormone. I'll explain why luteinizing hormone is correct. Luteinizing hormone stimulates the Leydig cells in the testes to produce androgens, such as testosterone. Looking at the anatomy of the male testes, we are going to see that it is the LH, which is luteinizing hormone, responsible for acting on the Leydig cell, causing it to release testosterone. Therefore, B is the correct answer, luteinizing hormone, which stimulates the Leydig cell in the testes to produce androgens such as testosterone. So the correct answer here is B. So we have these 5 questions we have shared with you. Of course, you don't want to be greedy enough to not share to your friends. Please make sure to go ahead to share this particular series to friends so that many of them can join us to benefit from this question and answer series. We are going to continue to the next 5 questions in the next series, which of course I'll release it directly to you. So you want to make sure to go ahead to join us by making sure that you send us a message to add you to the group, which you can join and start to benefit from this question and answer series. You can also make sure you go through these questions to see how you can answer them before we come again in the next series to release to you what are the correct answers and the reason why they are correct. Bye-bye for now and see you again in the next episode.